Welcome to our in-depth review of Secret's Cap Cana Resort and Spa, a luxurious adults-only paradise nestled in the exclusive gated community of Cap Cana, along the pristine Juanillo Beach in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This five-star resort opened its doors on November 28, 2016, as the 15th property in the Secret's brand and the first in the Dominican Republic. Since then, it has become a beacon of sophisticated Caribbean style, offering an unlimited luxury experience that has captivated travelers from around the world. Let's start our journey by exploring the accommodations at Secret's Cap Cana. The resort boasts 457 suites, each designed to provide a haven of comfort and luxury. From junior suites to swim-up suites and presidential suites, there's an option to suit every taste and preference. Picture yourself in a spacious suite adorned with sophisticated Caribbean furnishings, featuring marble bathrooms that exude elegance and furnished balconies or terraces that invite you to soak in the breathtaking views of the ocean or lush landscape. The attention to detail in these rooms is truly remarkable. Each suite comes equipped with 24-hour room service, ensuring that your every whim is catered to at any hour. The daily refreshed mini-bar stocked with top-shelf spirits adds an extra touch of indulgence to your stay. And let's not forget the stunning views. Whether you're gazing out at the azure waters of the Caribbean or the meticulously manicured tropical gardens, you'll feel like you're in your own private paradise. Now, let's talk about the culinary delights that await you at Secret's Cap Cana. With 8 restaurants and multiple bars, your taste buds are in for a treat. The resort offers a diverse range of dining options, from gourmet restaurants serving exquisite international cuisine to themed eateries that transport you to different corners of the world. Imagine savoring fresh seafood while overlooking the ocean or indulging in a perfectly cooked steak in an elegant setting. The restaurants cater to every palate, offering everything from local Dominican specialties to Asian fusion and Mediterranean delights. And the best part? You can dine at your leisure, with most restaurants operating from breakfast through to late-night snacks. For those special evenings, some restaurants may require reservations and have a formal dress code, adding an extra touch of sophistication to your dining experience. But the culinary journey doesn't end there. The resort's bars serve up an impressive array of cocktails, fine wines, and premium spirits. Whether you're in a mood for a refreshing poolside drink or a nightcap at an elegant lounge, you'll find the perfect spot to unwind. And don't miss out on the sip, savor, and sea dining experience, a unique program that allows you to enjoy themed nights and live entertainment, adding an extra dash of excitement to your evenings. When it comes to relaxation and recreation, Secret's Cap Cana truly shines. The resort's infinity pool is a sight to behold, seamlessly blending with the horizon and offering a perfect spot for a refreshing dip or lazy lounging. While we don't have specific dimensions, we can tell you that it's spacious enough to accommodate guests without feeling crowded. The pool area features swim-up bars where you can enjoy your favorite cocktail without ever leaving the water, and the attentive poolside service ensures you'll never have to lift a finger. But let's not forget about the beach. After all, you're in the Caribbean. Secret's Cap Cana is blessed with a prime location on Juanillo Beach, known for its sugar-soft sand and crystal-clear waters. While we don't have the exact length of the beachfront, rest assured it's expansive enough for long, romantic walks or finding your own private spot to soak up the sun. The resort offers a range of water activities for the more adventurous, from snorkeling to kayaking, allowing you to make the most of the Caribbean Sea. And of course, the beachside service is top-notch, with comfortable loungers, umbrellas, and attentive staff ready to cater to your every need. For those looking to maintain their fitness routine or indulge in some pampering, Secret's Cap Cana has you covered. The resort's fitness center is equipped with modern equipment to help you stay in shape during your vacation. From cardio machines to free weights, you'll find everything you need for a comprehensive workout. And if you prefer group activities, the resort offers various fitness classes to keep things interesting and motivating. After working up a sweat, why not treat yourself to some well-deserved relaxation at the Spa by Pavonia? This oasis of tranquility offers a wide range of treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and mind. While we don't have details on specific signature treatments, you can expect a variety of massages, facials, and body treatments using high-quality Pavonia products. The spa facilities include serene relaxation areas where you can unwind before or after your treatment, making it a perfect escape within your escape. One of the unique selling points of Secrets Cap Cana is its adults-only policy, making it an ideal destination for couples, honeymooners, or groups of friends looking for a sophisticated getaway. The unlimited luxury concept takes all-inclusive to a new level, ensuring that every aspect of your stay is infused with luxury and attention to detail. Golf enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that the resort offers access to the Jack Nicklaus-designed Punta Cana golf course, considered one of the best in the Caribbean. Imagine teeing off with the backdrop of the turquoise sea. It's a golfer's paradise. The resort's commitment to excellence hasn't gone unnoticed. In 2020, Secrets Cap Cana won awards for Best Romance in the Caribbean and Top Resort in the Caribbean, solidifying its position as a premier destination for those seeking a luxurious and romantic escape. When it comes to entertainment, Secrets Cap Cana knows how to keep things lively. The resort offers a weekly entertainment schedule that includes live performances and theme nights. You might find yourself enjoying a vibrant Caribbean dance show one evening and a mellow jazz performance the next. The variety ensures that there's always something new and exciting to look forward to. For those who love to celebrate, the resort goes all out for seasonal events and holidays. Whether it's a festive Christmas celebration or a lively New Year's Eve party, you can expect special events and activities that add an extra layer of enjoyment to your stay. Now, let's talk about some practical aspects of your stay. Check-in is typically at 3 p.m., giving the staff ample time to ensure your room is in perfect condition. Check-out is at noon, allowing you a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to paradise. It's worth noting that the resort is not pet-friendly, so you'll need to make other arrangements for your furry friends. For guests with mobility concerns, the resort offers accessible rooms and facilities, ensuring that everyone can enjoy their stay to the fullest. One of the standout features of Secret Cap Cana is its proximity to some fantastic attractions. The resort is located in the exclusive Cap Cana community, which is home to a world-class marina where you can admire luxury yachts or even arrange a fishing excursion. The aforementioned Punta Cana golf course is just a stone's throw away, perfect for golf enthusiasts looking to challenge themselves on a championship course. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, Punta Cana offers a wealth of attractions. The Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park and Reserve is a must-visit for nature lovers, featuring 12 freshwater lagoons and lush tropical forests. If you're feeling adventurous, consider a trip to Skate Park, where you can zip line through the jungle, explore caves, or take a dip in the Hoyo Azul Cenote, a stunning natural pool with crystal-clear blue water. The resort's location also puts you within easy reach of some of the best beaches in the Dominican Republic. While Juanillo Beach at the resort is spectacular, you might want to venture out to Macau Beach, known for its great surfing conditions, or Playa Blanca, a picturesque white sand beach perfect for a day trip. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.